Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. Before we continue, I want to remind you guys, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing, and if you like what you watch, please give that video a thumbs up. I always try and post different unboxings, so if you guys want to keep on coming back and liking my videos, I would greatly appreciate that. So let's get into what we have for today. What we have here, it is the Fabfitfun mystery bundle number 2 from the add-on sale. So originally what had happened with this one is Fabfitfun started offering different mystery bundles now. Before, they only had this basic one, which is $29 for $100 worth of products inside. So recently I just saw an $87 mystery bundle, which is the one that I tried to purchase, but there was a whole mix-up, and it turns out that mystery bundle ended up being sold out. You know, I was in contact with the Fabfitfun customer service team, which they are amazing. But I ended up here with the regular one. The $87 one, you would get $400 worth in that box. So I thought that sounded pretty awesome, and like I mentioned before, I can't get myself to not purchase a mystery bundle. So then of course you show me a more expensive mystery bundle and I automatically like, okay, yeah, sure, let me buy it. But it didn't work out, unfortunately, and we have another just regular mystery bundle. Like I mentioned, this one is $39 and you get $29, and you get $100 worth of products inside. So this was part of their add-on sale from the winter box, and because of that whole mix-up, that's why it just got to me now. But better late than never. Okay, so here is my little baggie of goodies. What I'm gonna do with this one, like I did with my other videos, because they do not give us a paper or anything pretty much telling us what the retail value of the products are that are in here, I'm just gonna go ahead and look them up, either like on Amazon, on Ulta, on, you know, I'm just gonna look online, get their retail value from there, and then I will put it as I show the products, so you guys can get an idea of what they are going for online, and if they're worth the $100 that they say that they're supposed to be. So I'm gonna start with this one. I already have it in my hand, and this is from Sela by Celine Tedrisi. And this is the very best cream, according to them. This is what our little bottle looks like. And this one says, from seed to skin, luxurious body cream formulated with Canadian botanicals, kupauku butter, and Abyssinian oil to richly moisturize, refreshing orange and grapefruit essential oils to leave skin decadently scented. And you pretty much just, you know, it's just a regular lotion that seems like it smells pretty good. You just apply it and you should be moisturized and smell good. So let me smell it really quick. It's supposed to smell like, ooh, that feels really, really soft. Ooh, it smells, yeah, you can totally get that citrusy smell. And oh wow, it is really making my skin feel nice and smooth and really hydrated. I like the way that this feels. And it smells really good. You do get that orangey, like citrusy scent. So, it smells really, really good. So this is one product. Let me get this one here because it looks kind of interesting. This is from Wraps Wristband Headphones. So, anti-tangle storage, superior sound. So this is what I'm looking at here. As you can see, they have this wrapped on their hand. So I'm not exactly sure what this is, or like how it's supposed to work. But let me open them up. Oh, I get it. Okay, so the point of these, so these are earphones. As you guys can see, we have the two little buds over here. And then this is almost like a braided kind of cloth material, and of course we obviously have like the wire through the inside. But the whole point of these is, I mean, honestly, I don't know why you would want to wrap them around your wrist, but you're supposed to wrap them, and then, which the headphones here, they have a little, like a little plastic that has a little indentation here. Once you wrap it around, you hold it in place by putting your little plug here right in between, and they're supposed to, come on, go in. So you can hook it right in there, and that's what will hold them wrapped around, you know, wherever you wrap them around. And they're supposed to be tangle free. I think that's what it said. So these, you know how sometimes your earphones just get all tangled up and you don't know how the heck to get them out of from however they are. So these are supposed to not get tangled, and like I can't show you on my wrist because it's a little bit hard to kind of wrap it around. So let's see if this works. So you're supposed to wrap it around, and then once you have it here on this side, you're supposed to just push that in, and then they stay on. Honestly, I don't see the point in this. I never think like maybe I should wrap around my headphones around my wrist, you know, like whoever thinks that. But I mean, this is their thing. And then on top of this, you get different sizes for the little buds that go in the ear, so you can pretty much customize that so you can get the size that you like. But I mean, these do not, I mean, I have to see what the sound is like. But as far as the headphones alone, I'm not a huge fan, just because I also have an iPhone that does not have an auxiliary or whatever it's called port for me to plug this in. So I have to use the adapter that they gave us like a long time ago. But you know, you never know. Those come in handy, you know, if you want to plug them into the computer or anything like that. And then up next, we have something from Milk Makeup. We have the Luminous Blur Stick. And this is a swipe all over the face to prime the skin, or use alone for luminous blurred skin. Okay, so this is a primer. And if you apply it all over your face, it's a twist off. If you apply it all over your face, it's supposed to give you a glow, and then prime your skin as well. Or you can use it for those of you that are lucky enough to not have to wear any makeup. You can use it alone, and it's supposed to give you, oh, that does give you a nice look. You're supposed to be, you probably won't be able to see it with the camera because it's almost the same color as my skin tone. But it does give me a little bit of a like a golden-y, kind of bronzy kind of color. So I see how it would, you know, come through the makeup. So this is pretty awesome. I know these don't have such a huge price, but I'm thinking at least $20 something, I would say. Like I said, I'll kind of like look around and see how much they go for at like Ulta or anything like that, or even milkmakeup.com, and see what they retail this for. But this one looks really, really nice. Like I said, for those of you that are lucky enough to not have to wear any makeup, even just wearing this alone will give you like a nice golden-y, bronzy kind of color. And that's the best way to describe it, because I don't think you guys can even see it, because it's just really, really close to my skin color that, you know, it just kind of gives me like a little bit of color. So we are down to the last item, and I also honestly have no idea what it is because it is totally wrapped in bubble wrap here. And let me see. So this one says here, coconut lip therapy. So I'm assuming we have either a lip scrub or a lip mask that is coconut scented, or it's coming from some type of coconut. If there's different types, I don't know my coconut. But this one is the number, I don't know what number that is, XCI. That is in Roman numerals, I believe, but I don't know what number that makes. And then it says lip therapy, and it's from Cocos Nucifera, something like that. Yeah, it's pretty much, let me see. Nourish your lips with this restorative volumizing treatment. Okay, so it is gonna be like okay, yeah, it is a lip mask. This natural pumping formula utilizes the swelling action of dehydrated phospholipids, which bind with free-flowing water in the skin and expand, giving the appearance of increased volume while filling in wrinkles and fine lines. Ooh, I like the sound of that. So it's just a little cream, or yeah. Ooh, that smells like coconut. So it's just a melted chapstick in here kind of thing. That's what it looks like. And I guess you just apply it on overnight. You leave it on your lips and you wake up with better looking lips in the morning. So this one here was the last product from the box. Aside from the earphones here, I honestly, I would have loved for them to replace this with something different. But, I mean, as far as the other products, the milk makeup, the lotion, and the lip mask, I think were all really good items that I do see myself using, and depending on what value I find in these, we'll kind of, you know, get an idea if it was worth the $30 or not. So let me know what you guys think of this box. I think my last box was way better than this one, but let me know what you guys think. Do you guys buy any mystery bundles? Because like I mentioned before, I'm totally addicted to them because they're like totally awesome. I don't know what you guys think, but those were all the items from this mystery bundle that is all for me for today, and I will be back with another video really soon, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.